In this video, I will show you how to join the Grow a Garden Discord server for Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Now once you've done that, what you can do is use the search box at the top to search for Grow a Garden. Of course, you want to search for that in experiences, and once you've located it, it's going to be this result here. Give this a click. This is by the garden game, the official one. Once you're on the game page, what you want to do is scroll down towards the bottom and you should see a section about social links. Now this is only going to show if you have a 13+ adult account. If you haven't got a child account, unfortunately this is not going to show for you, but if you do, you can see the social links here. So you can see we've got one for X or Twitter, there's one for YouTube, and there's one for Discord. So what you need to do, of course, is click onto the Discord button. So what that's going to do is take you to the page, so the invite page for the Grow a Garden Discord server. So what we can do is just skip through this and read through the server rules and then click finish. Once you've done that, you'll be, as you can see, in the official Grow a Garden Discord server. What you want to do is follow the rules and do everything it says in Get Started to access the different channels, and then you will be good to go. So that's how to join the Grow a Garden Discord server. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.